owo empanyimfo ewo ekunya efikase ni mu a ono report it to into report it to me and the rot and the corruption koso wo ho no aban abai me se omomo mani nko ho school feeding man panyi kufo dia
fa full screen I say abanya wa be the current government's where they power make you do what
make you look into the corruption for the school feeding program where they go on.
So when NDC people were saying that school feeding program corruption as well, it looks like they were not lying.
They were not lying at all.
Really? Our children have really suffered. Though.
Yes.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Ever from VJ Parker Rich, I had me a Parker Rich Studios program within the +233. Not the Ghana and 7 years bro. Now, what's it said? Then champion, so as a back at you there, I carry a while. They know they argue with that.
Yeah.
So, Adwoa sarfo or Christian sarfo can thank and never. I know MP what domi kwabenya. Often so as a pay. Na why keys be zama or NPP for. Now we'll go into that. And I'm not here alone. My brother.
PKB original. Yeah.
PKB original.
PKB. Yeah, man.
You say my Thursday pa.
Boss my Thursday.
And we kiss and address a free baby.
Yeah, my Thursday.
But you see the issue I have is that Akwa there when Akufo-Addo government, you know, caught in a back seat. People in NPP are like they trust Mahama to fight corruption.
Yes.
Than when
Akufo-Addo was in power.
Why?
Big question. Why are they?
One children.
Why?
But anyway, let's watch this video from Adwoa sarfo Rubebe Keys. Then Chamo feels as he pray. What's our train? Then after that, we'll have the conversation.
Yeah, man.
School feeding now mo kan wan say school feeding na any ministry eno e ben parliament.
Okay.
But no so frame meeting kura wo ma. Man frame meeting am wan mada. O ka o say owo empanyimfo ewo ekunya efikase ni mu a ono report it to into report it to me and the rot and the corruption koso wo ho no aban abai me say omomo mani nko ho school feeding man panyi kufo dia
fa full screen I say abanya wa be the current government's where they power make you do what
make you look into the corruption for the school feeding program where they go on.
So when NDC people were saying that school feeding program corruption as well, it looks like they were not lying.
They were not lying at all.
Really? Our children have really suffered. Though.
Yes.
And what did they pay me more? It be my region where they do this sense for. Central region, here region, war experiments. War corruption skills in the war. But anyway, nyame atwa wana ka. Great, my answer kakra na yansan mbra back.
Dreampa and the school feeding ebai. Na the way I turning no. Me start ye di gender mami. Me who beba time nyina. President Akufo-Addo ka tell me say menya audit of school feeding. Ansa ne amami sika po dia ye adwuma. Say den na sika bebre na ye de kɔ hɔ no, ne ye de ye. Enne me ka ne ye wo mu. Me kwa me fra mami ba ko wo ma mienu womma no ato me nkra se wono no bebia ne connections wo wa ban mu ho no se ne amani ni di agro no wo mpe o na me se me dey asoma me me ye adwuma and I did my audit me the report echo cabinet omo pa mo me kan che me se me boa
o say or the report echo cabinet and if you go into what cabinet means, say or the report audit no here or the Akufo-Addo enim say report when you na say na ekoso. It's no question is say are there na report no ama out and Akufo-Addo anji audit no.
But the same woman also tell our record on baby and connections na
one
where in links they know you know they joke you know they play with that.
No.
So I can tell you confidently saying that there are certain people in NPP that did not like the level of corruption that was going on.
Yes, but they couldn't
But
talk.
because of party politics,
Yes.
they decided to love their party more than the country.
Yes.
And Yami Etwe won in our account.
Yes.
I'm sure people will disagree. People will come and rant in a politics now.
No,
but
no,
this
no,
is something
no.
Offer Ghana.
Nipana
The
about
school feeding program, no, your taxpayers.
Nisika.
Yes, was a year.
Yes.
And so, if this man, somebody could sit somewhere and say that I can design, we thought that ghost names were for individuals.
Chale.
Some NPP were to me a
Ghost names plus ghost schools. We also okay ghost schools. Just say secondary schools na wo Ghana ha na o marriage sa no no betimi aye bi account. Ono betimi create o betimi create more schools. Hey,
how can you actually create virtual schools like that?
Now we create ghost names or NSS. I didn't just
then I would be surprised if they have created ghost churches and other ghosts, because it looks like everything about the past government was about
Chale.
in some like ghost
things.
It be serious,
That's the way to go.
And this will not be with the talk, not be any people that they talk.
She nah.
It be Adwoa
Safo na
former MP where he be minister, where our party in our chair. But anyway, young foreign in see what say I can't Adwoa Safo na sama. No, they I can't Adwoa Safo ni baby
daddy,
na
baby daddy, baby daddy. No,
daddy.
baby zaddy, baby zaddy.
It's the Bill Gates of Asin for soup.
Mommy
feeling because no level of confidence and
top notch confidence. Chale. Aish. Honorable.
There only anas war head in CB. Head. And as someone what do Ghana courts and okoye there okoye ma Kennedy kakra. But o do stage be no and that someone what to call US courts. Now what born with neutral grounds. Now someone what should ma what Kenny na na there. Damages $80 million
Chale.
But $80 million no be small money like that.
I don't know where honorable get money.
More than 80.
Yeah, it's worth more than
that. But there, as all in there, it was scanning coach young question sika. For Subia amount.
I know what to call to say wait and cost sika and also money $10,000.
So apparently, what to schedule that other man?
Or no bagini will cut huh?
There was Santo though.
Was rent why?
Yeah,
$10,000 a month.
Yes, you Ghana for America for they are some bro there and car. Anas said that yes sort
share no 30K or $30 million.
That's what to be a do. You be to quarter about $80 million, $30 million. The edge is got a boria side about Adas we all will be guardians. You understand? Just say you don't go at this school, but other people go at this school be Santa Claus shit. You understand? Where we all will be guardians. We don't go fee watch your brother in face give him $80 million like that. You understand?
Hey, Charlie.
I'm a chairman. Why is slow?
Yeah.
You understand? When he's our incoming president on the ticket of NPP, maybe probably next election.
Because with this defamation suit there.
Well, yeah, share. It's a politics.
As it's currently a campaign, I don't know man
as prison bear outside of their president.
Yeah.
So anything can happen.
But
it's Salaras. I beg this one make resort issues for house. When the one brief here, one bon tumful. Now tumful sort issues in there. When I hear local, judge or best settle.
But I would say the across we a year judicial service not to pa. And nice judicial system.
Got a judicial service was but I car.
And yen nice.
It do more camera because a general kicking.
Oh yeah,
wash your wig in
order.
If your lawyers, you are pocket
lawyers.
That's right one.
Or had they
ever the blue array. But everybody,
no.
You see, as someone was to a Ghana, or which way, but American for the
place of civil rights
Pepe
and laws.
Guys, let us know what you think about Adwoa Sarfo and Ken. Two couple, they are on the trends. What trend? Let's see what happened. But anyway, my name is DJ Parkour Rich, and I've been doing this.
PKB original.
Yep.
It's echo.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.